Okay, guys, so we'll have a chat with one of our DroneFit members, Pavneet. What's special about this chat is that Pavneet has made it into the Indian Air Force. And what's special about the getting into Air Force part is that she trained with DroneFit for it. Right, so Pavneet, congratulations first of all.
Thank you so much, sir.
And I'm very glad that you trained with us.
I'm glad too, sir.
And that paid off.
Yes, sir.
Right, so couple of questions I'll be asking you, Pavneet. One was, did you ever think there would be a day that you'll be wearing the Indian Air Force uniform?
Honestly, yes. Every day, every night, with my eyes open, eyes closed, I used to see myself wearing the uniform.
Amazing.
Sometimes it was, there were setbacks and failures when the uniform was little far, felt little far. But of course, you believe in yourself and
Great.
you learn it.
Okay, next is, before you started training, what was the biggest fear about the physical tests?
Before starting, my fear was that whether my body will be able to, keep up with my determination or not. I was ready mentally, but physically somewhere lacked stamina and endurance.
Yeah.
So that was my main motive before I started my physical journey.
Yeah, right. Okay. And what was the toughest part of the Indian Air Force physical process?
Till now, there was not like any toughest part, but of course, mentally there were many challenges. Physically, it was not really tough till now.
Okay.
So let's see what's the journey ahead.
So you think
has to say.
it'll get physically worse? after
Not
you get it
worse,
down?
but of course the training is a little bit physically, harder,
Challenging.
and it is challenging. It challenges every aspect of your, it pushes you out of your comfort zone. So that is one thing that I'm really excited for.
Okay.
Push myself to the limits.
We wish you all the luck.
Thank
Hope
you.
all the training with DroneFit helps you there. Okay, one question I have is, while you were giving your physical test, did you think of DroneFit? Did you think, thank God I've practiced this, this is the movement I know?
Uh, yes, there was one moment like in my SSBs. So we have obstacle courses, 10 obstacles, and the highest limit is 10, of course. So in that is rope climbing, and I had practiced rope climbing over here in DroneFit, and I, along with one other girl, were the only two people who could climb the rope in a batch of 78 students,
Oh, that's
78
that's great.
candidates. So that was one thing that really paid off. That I practiced at DroneFit.
So there were only two members
Out
of the 78 lot that were able to do
Yes, sir.
a rope climb. That's very good. Okay, now the next is, what's one thing DroneFit taught you that you'll carry into the Air Force? Anything that you think?
That I will carry is that showing up matters. No matter how difficult days feel on you, or no matter how fatigued you are, if you just show up, those difficult days will, add up to your physical strength
Absolutely.
and physical stamina, and you will thank God I showed up on those difficult days, because that will make a very great difference. So
Absolutely.
that I will take along with me.
Amazing, amazing. Anything you, so there are many aspirants your age, right, who want to go to get through these armed forces. Anything in one short line or two you'd like to tell aspirants that might boost up their morale?
See, this defense journey is a very long journey. It's look, it's you take it over like 6 months का एक होता है lot. It took me 1.5 years to earn my place in the academy list right now. So it is a very long journey. So saying things like you need to be motivated and disciplined and being consistent. It's very, sometimes very fatigued. You're not very much motivated every day. Sometimes you are motivated, sometimes you're not motivated. So what will stay with you is your belief. If you believe in yourself, you will just achieve it. So discipline is one thing, but stay consistent, little
Yeah.
by little, one step by one step, and you'll get
So
there.
you have a belief, but you keep walking towards it.
Yes.
Amazing. एक मेरा personal question है.
Yes,
It's
sir.
it's not on the list here. Now that you'll be a flying officer soon.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, God willing. And once you start flying,
Yes, sir.
where is it that you'd like to take your coach along with you on that flight?
Anyway, you say, sir. Anyway, you say.
Right, that's it. Fine, I was just joking. Good. So, what's just so the viewers know, what is next from here? So now you've trained, you've cracked the IAF, you've done the written, you've done the group discussion, you've done the physical test. Now you are going to.
Now I will be starting my training at Air Force Academy, Dundigal in Hyderabad. So this is it will be 1.5 year course because my branch is flying. So after that, next year in December, I'll get commissioned as flying officer in
Amazing.
the Indian Armed Forces,
Amazing.
and I'll start my journey.
Oh, cool. So, Kavneet, again, yes, wishing you all the best. I think DroneFit started with a motivation to make a difference in the society. We've had a couple of cases before. You truly stand out because I think by you getting into the Air Force, of course, it was your grit, it was your determination. We were only there to guide you and maybe let you know how to lose those 3 kgs in 15 days, things like that. But I really think and I really feel that we have been in some way able to bring joy to you and your family, and have been able to
Definitely,
contribute to your
Contribute to
reason.
my medical a lot.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Amazing. Kavneet, I wish you all the best. Flying
Thank you
officer
so
to
much.
be,
Thank you so
and
much.
let's train again sometime.
Definitely, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.